Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you, this is almost like new. This is the Regenair by Gast 10 horsepower vacuum blower. Hope you can see that. Very quiet for its size. Turbine style blower, Whirlpool vacuum. We're running it on 223 phase right now. 10 horsepower, as you can see. Inlet and outlet are marked, so you can establish your direction. They're actually silencer tubes. There's a couple extra, one muffler came with it, and a Y pipe, and a couple extra fittings we're including with the unit. Beautiful, beautiful little blower. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.